Hey there, what's going on? Chris Cervantez, eHomes, coming at you with the Covina monthly market update for the month of May. So let's get started. Interesting developments, not a whole lot of change over the last couple of months. However, there was one significant change, and that has to do with pending activity. So I'll get to that. Let's start off from the top. As of right now, we have 38 homes available in all of Covina. It's actually pretty comparable to a year ago. The available inventory is only down by 5% compared to last year, so not a huge change. We still need more houses to be listed to meet the demand that we're experiencing. Now, here's the thing though, is that pending activity. As of right now, we have 47 homes in escrow in all of Covina. Compare this to last year. Last year we had 95 homes in escrow. So that's a 100% drop off from pending activity, which means that I don't think that the market is, yes, I would say that's an indication of things slowing down, but when you only have 38 homes available top to bottom, from $4 million houses to $400,000 houses, I'm not overly concerned. I think that as things develop here, we're in May now, so May, June, July, August, September, fingers crossed in September, October, November, we're really gonna see things be a little bit more balanced, but time will tell. We'll see how the last quarter pans out in a couple of months. But as of right now, year over year, there's 51 homes that have sold in the last 30 days. Compared to this time last year, there were 51 homes that sold. So the closed sales are still tracking pretty consistent. So the average days on market, and this is another indication why I think things aren't crumbling, the market isn't falling apart, is the average days on market is 10 days. So 10 days compared to this time last year it was 24 days. So homes are flying off the shelf, assuming that they're priced somewhat well. Homes that are priced way too high, we are seeing those linger. We're actually seeing those prices drop. But again, with on average, when homes are moving that fast, that's a clear indication that the market is just still gobbling things up. So the pretty substantial jump, which this is kind of more of the same that you've heard in previous videos, the year over year change in sales price. So the median sales price in all of Covina right now for the month of May is $790,000. So $790,000 compared to last year. Last year was $676,000. That's a 16% change from year over year. So really big. I don't foresee that happening through the end of the year. I think it's going to be a lot lower come the end of the year, but time will tell, like I've said before. So let's jump into the highest and the lowest. We'll start with the lowest. It was the same complex as I mentioned in the past. It's right there on San Bernardino and Grand Avenue. Capriati's is right there, and then the new, if you haven't been to it, you got to go take the family over to Rose City Pizza. It's Rose City. It's right there on San Bernardino and Grand Avenue. They're from Rosemead, and they opened up a second shop this way, and it's crazy good. Anyway, the lowest price sale was a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom condo in two bedroom, 2-bathroom condo, 969 square feet. It was listed for $425,000. It sold for $450,000, so $25,000 higher. I didn't see the inside, but it didn't look overly upgraded at all. The kitchen looked fairly original. They just priced it well, and it sold in 3 days. So really fast. The highest sale was right there off of Grand Avenue in Buenos Aires. This is like in that South Hill section. So this is as you're going south on Grand before you head up the hill going up to Mount Sac. 1910 South Buenos Aires Drive. It was a 3,300 square foot house, 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms. They listed for 1.8. They actually sold it for 1.825. So they sold it a couple bucks more, and they sold it in a week. I will do my best to try and get a picture up on this video, but if not, just take my word for it. The views were crazy. It had a pool with amazing views of the valley, and it was just really nice. So yeah, the takeaway for this week is just pending activity is down. Still a super, super strong market overall. If you have any questions about your situation, you would like to know more about your housing value, or if there's anything at all that I can answer for you, real estate related, please reach out. I'd love to be of service. Thanks so much for watching. Take care.